From an industrial perspective, what is it?
当一间放档案的机房被重新定义成把电变成 token 的工厂，整个科技业的地基就被悄悄换掉了。这不是换一台电脑，是换一种文明的生产方式。说这话的是辉达创办人黄仁勋，场合是史丹佛商学院对面做驻国会议员 Ro Khanna。挑这场，挑这个时间点很关键。美国正把 AI 从产品竞争升级成国家战略，而黄仁勋手上握的是全球 AI 算力的关键枢纽。当一个卖硬体的人开始用工厂生产的语言重讲整个产业，他其实是在替一整个时代重新画地图。你听的不是产品发表，是产业定义权的争夺。先听他怎么把机房讲成工厂。
New computer. Everything about the computer industry has changed because it's so capable and it could do such amazing things. Everything from the nature of companies, the position of companies, and the nature of data centers went from storage of files to now generation of tokens. And I call them factories. You turn electricity into tokens, it's manufacturing something. The classical data centers used to be a file server. Now you have basically token generators. Well, that takes a lot of computers. And so now the question is, what can it do? Well, I think that it's fairly clear to all of us that the latest rev of AI, which allowed us to go from perception to generative to now agentic systems, this next click of AI has proven to be incredibly capable. And we expected it to be, and it's doing really great things. Now, the implications to all the different industries we can go into a little bit later. So the first thing is to understand, number one, what is the technology? From an industrial perspective, what is it? Well, from an industrial perspective, because of the way I described computing, AI is essentially a 5-layer stack of an infrastructure. It's energy on the bottom, chips next, infrastructure like a cloud AI factory, AI models, and then most importantly, AI applications. And those applications could be an enterprise.
他把资料中心的角色从存档案改写成生产 AutoCAD， 还一路把 AI 分成感知、生成到现在的代理是3个阶段，愈爬愈能干活。这不只是比喻，而是把 IT 从成本中心重新归类成生产设备。一旦 AI 变成产线，衡量它的尺就从花多少变成产出多少。我帮这个转向取个名字，叫机房转工厂。真正被换掉的不是伺服器，是记账的科目。当算力被算进制造业的逻辑，投资、电力、厂房全部要重新排队。这才是他没明讲，却最想让政策圈听懂的那一层。把时间拉长看，这场对谈真正的重点不是哪家公司强，而是定义权正在转手。谁能决定 AI 该用什么单位衡量，算哪一种产业，放进哪一本账，谁就掌握了下一轮游戏规则。与其问 AI 还能红多久，不如问当运算被重新归类成生产，你所在的行业会被排进这条新产线的上游、下游，还是被跳过？一句话收束，这场谈话的价值不在预言，而在提醒我们，命词一旦被改写，资源就会跟蛀虫排。以上为资讯整理与评论，非投资建议。想看更多大人物的白话拆解，记得订阅，也可以到 /invest 看整理。